Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to buy Hype on the Gate app. First, let's open the app. Then we need to go to the trade section. Here, click on the symbol, and let's type Hype to find the correct trading pair. Here it is. Okay, let's make sure we will use the market option. I have prepared USDT before, so let's move slider and decide how much we want to buy. If you are ready, click Buy Hype. And that's it. You have successfully bought Hype token. By tapping on Sell, you can quickly check if the Hype is on your account. And yes, it is. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.